Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 3 divided 1 by 3 times 3. So let's start with today's video solution. So this looks simple, but still many people fail to solve because they did not take a right approach. What they do, they cancel out the 3 with 3 and then 3 divided 1 as 3, which is a wrong answer and wrong approach. Yes, you heard it right. Because as per board mass or PEMDAS rule, if we know that multiplication and division both have same priority. But we have to always solve from left to right. People skip this step and reach that wrong answer. If you follow this step, then 3 divided 1 by 3 times 3, left to right. This part. So there is two different things, that is 3 divided 1 by 3 and 3 divided 3. This gives 1, but this gives 3 multiplied 3 by 1, that is 9. So this part is 9, not 1. Now 9 times 3 is 27. So what is the correct answer? 27, not 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.